Welcome to Hillyards. We take pride in putting our customers first. We are pleased to present this 4-bedroom detached house. Blacksmith Road, Longwick, HP 27. Detached family home. 4 double bedrooms. Sought after village location. No upper chain. Quiet cul-de-sac location. Double-length garage and driveway. 3 reception rooms. Cloakroom, ensuite and family bathroom. Conservatory. Solar panels. Please contact us for more information.